If this was your child when you're playing a game with them, everything's going great, and suddenly they wanted to win and they lose it. That was me also as a child. I hated losing. Here's the thing, kids don't melt down because they don't want to lose. It's about the competition, the comparison, the disappointment that comes with all these big feelings related to losing. I'm Hetvi Karya and I'm here to tell you a better way to manage those I wanted to win moments. So here's what you need. A token. It can be anything from a block to a dice to a stone. It can be anything that you call the try again token. Read the caption to know in detail how to use the try again token.